Today everything changes.
Hello guys.
Hello mga cuties!
Dito kami sa City Hall.
Show the first. Oh my god! We will take you through the process. So you guys know how to marry someone here. So I got all my documents from Germany. That was a long process, okay? Just to get one paper. Then I had my passport and my birth certificate, and I had to translate it. So I brought all of that here, and now we are in our town hall, and we got this application for marriage license, this paper, and now we paid 600 pesos, and we will wait now for marriage counseling. We will get appointment for that. It's so long. It's almost 5 hours. 4 hours. Oh my god.
4 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah. Mama's here with us. Sinamahan kami siya.
Sinamahan niya kami.
Sinamahan niya kami. And yeah, now we wait lang for the marriage counseling date. And then we need to go to the German embassy tomorrow. See you later. Alligator.
Dito kami sa ano.
Kunin ko yung size mo, kuya, ha?
Kasi?
Size 6 na galing na design.
Fresh.
Medyo ano lang. For me, medyo matabang.
Matabang?
Para sa akin.
Ano na ba ako? Sorry lang. Ako sir? Sino yung 5 wala ka?
Na.
Anong oras ka bukas? Hello guys, we're here at the fitting, first fitting. You will see it after the wedding. I'm here with Mama, Tita, and Raymark is there. You cannot see me pa. Yeah, we have a first fitting now. It fits well, so they will put the sequins now, the glitter. Where is it? Ayan, glitter. Look, the dress is super glittery. I'm so excited. So yeah, now we'll try on Raymark's Barong Tagalog, and then that's it. Yeah, I'm so happy. Fits really well. It's just not yet done. It's like first fitting pa.
Okay. Game. Oh. Ah, yes. Ang ganda. Ayan, ganda-ganda lang. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, guys. Yan. Ang ganda niyan. Oh, you look. Super. What is your nationality, ma'am?
German.
German. Oh, German. Perfect. Of course, our German, guys, bride. Oh, diba? Our German bride, guys. Kaya yung mga Pilipino dyan na gusto mag-asawa ng foreigner. Charing lang. Yes, her husband is a Filipino, guys. He is a Filipino, guys. From Laguna. Sige, ipa-try natin. Shaira, can you assist please for the veil? Yeah, because mom is so tall. Our bride is so tall. Okay, can you just assist like this? Just a little bit. No, okay na yan, sis. Oh. Yeah, just holding like that. Oh, just like that. Is it okay for you like this? Alright, thank you guys. Thank you for watching, Charing. Oo, i-ano ko pa to, i-video ko pa to. Yes, our German bride. Thank you, thank you.
This is our designer.
Hi guys!
Anong pangalan ng name mo? How can they find you?
Actually, we are located at LGC 05 or LGB 06 because our shop is two shop, no? It combined into one. So we are in the basement 168 Shopping Mall, Solar Wing, Binondo, Manila. Yeah. So I don't have the makeup.
Good morning, mga cuties. Today's our
Wedding day.
wedding day. So, maaga ngayon, time check, ano ba ngayon? 6 AM na. Kakain lang namin ng breakfast and dadating din kasi yung niya, hair and makeup artist niya. So, hindi ko na siya makikita. Pag nag-start na siya mag-make-upan. Kaya,
We're cuddling pa.
magkikita na lang kami mamaya mga wedding, sa mismong wedding
In front of the town, in front of the city hall.
Sa city hall na mamaya.
My makeup artist will come in 30 minutes. So I will put this robe on. You see, show them. See my wedding robe. Ah, so cute. They will put the makeup on me. They will do my hair. And then they will help me also put my dress on.
Dress pa.
Are you excited?
Excited. Hindi ko pa nakita yung dress niya eh. Nung pares kami nag-surprise.
I wanna have you with your hair sana.
Ako na lang.
Make it pull you, so I will be mad, huh? That's few hours before getting married.
Oo. Ngayon, kami, engaged pa lang, mamaya married na.
Yeah, but for now, like, it's still like single. For the government, it's still we're single.
Yeah, single
Like,
pa rin.
You can be engaged, you can be in a relationship. The government doesn't care. On the paper, you're still single. So, today everything changes.
Mamaya, in few hours, we will get married. Mga 5 hours, we will get married na.
Guys, I never thought that we would get married. Like, when you chatted me in 2020, grabe. And now we're here.
So, mamaya guys, ayun, mag-video din si Elisa ata siguro habang nagme-makeup and mini-makeupan siya.
He will go to the city hall muna.
Ako muna kasi mag-check ako kung may spelling para dun sa marriage.
So you need to bring my passport? Because in Germany you need to bring your passport.
Dadaling ko yung passport niya. Kaya, ayun. See you na din mamaya sa after no wedding. Siyempre, may reception. Kaya, pakita namin sa inyo mamaya. Bye-bye!
So right now we're doing my hair. Did makeup kanina. It looks so good. Look at my eyes. Wow. Thank you.
You're always welcome.
I'll put also your Instagram down below. Here with the Beshi Wab. Where's the Beshi Wab? Here. Yes. We're doing curls. And then let's see later how I will look. So we're done now with the makeup and the hair. I love it so much. Oh my god, look at me. So now we will put on the dress. Right now I still have my robe on. And let's put on the dress now. Just married. We're now at the what's the venue?
Sa venue, sa reception na kami.
Yes.
So,
oh my god.
Tatapos lang namin punta kami dito sa reception. Oh, wait lang. Ring ko.
We just finished. We just got married, and now we're just enjoying our food.
No, buffet. Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan.
Yeah. Just
Kain sila.
simple because this is
Civil.
just a civil wedding.
Plan namin ng maayos.
Everything worked out well.
So, ngayon kakain na lang.
Here, our food. chicken wings, we have gulai, we have sweet and sour chicken, we have tuna lemon pasta, and we have syempre, the Philippines, we have rice.
Rice, so,
Kain tayo!
kain. Hello, Ma'am Beauty.
Hello! Tapos na kami, we go
Tapos na,
home
pauwi na. Tapos na yung sa reception. Magpagod.
We will go home now, we will pack, and then we will go sa hotel.
Sa Pasay.
Pasay?
Pasay.
Yeah. Join us!
Mamaya, pakita namin.
Hello! We packed na our stuff. Well, wait, I will close the door muna. Okay. We packed na our stuff. We will go na to the hotel. Let's go!
Agaling ka sa hotel.
Hello mga cuties! We just arrived in the hotel room. I slept a bit in the Grab.
Hindi na kami nakapag-intro dun sa... nakapag-tuloy ng video sa Grab kasi.
I vlogged before the Grab. When you...
you did ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Grabe. Getting married is so
Stress.
tiring. Wow! The room is so pretty.
Ganda
Oh
naman.
my god, look at the view.
Guys, Seda Hotel Manila Bay.
Yes.
Balik connected siya sa Ayala Malls Manila Bay, which is walang masyadong napunta kasi ewan ko ba't malaki yung mall pero hindi sila tinatao.
I'll show you the view. Let's check. Wow. Here. Oh my god, you can really see the street. So there.
Casino.
And here they have Ayala Mall. Wow.
It's connected here.
We have a really big bed. We have a sofa, dining area, TV, small mini fridge, bathrobes, mirror. Let's check out the bathroom. Here we have the toilet. Okay. And big shower. I like it.
Good.
So yeah,
Oh, good.
we will
In-room dining.
in-room dining. They have a spa. They have a game room.
Look, they have straight up bar. They have fitness center. They have playroom, game room, swimming pool, mini golf.
Dami. I like it.
Fifth floor yung yung amenities, fifth floor, tapos kami nasa fifth floor din.
That's
Right in front of
perfect.
the elevator.
Yeah. So that's very good. We will just be here now a bit, get ready. Anong, what did you destroy? Okay lang. We will go now to Las Okada, kasi I want to eat at Okada. I want to eat at Las Flores. I saw the food there, grabe naman, masarap. And yeah, we'll eat at Las Flores, and then I really want to watch the water fountain at Okada. I saw that kasi in TikTok, and it looks so cute. Diba we will watch that?
Yes.
Yes. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
How you feel? You feel different being married? I feel different. You have a ring now on your finger.
Feel different.
I love you. Like kanina pa, I'm laying next to him. I'm looking at him like, husband pala. Not boyfriend, not fiance, not friend.
Husband
no,
na husband.
It's official. It's like on paper.
On paper.
When you fill out the paper now, do a contract, you cannot put single now. You have to put married.
Yeah.
What the heck? So crazy.
Hello mga cuties! Nandito kami ngayon sa Las Flores, dito sa Okada, Manila. Medyo...
Now it started, not started, it's like, they gave that to us now. No,
Complimentary.
It's olive oil with garlic and tomatoes. Tapos you will just... Cannot to dip it.
Pwede din. Yeah. So, inaantay namin yung nag-order na kami. And, titingnan din kasi namin mamaya yung water fountain dyan sa labas. Water fountain. So, tingnan natin guys.
Our wedding day is perfect.
Oh.
Salamat.
Coke? May Coke?
Hey, it's my wedding day. I'm allowed. It's my wedding day.
Tapos nagkalamansi juice kami dalawa. Free siya kasama nung ano, kasama nung set na in-order namin. May fountain lights with music. So, woo! We're excited. Ayun o, excited. Yung mamaya guys, pakita namin sa inyo yung food namin. And after that, pakita namin sa inyo yung fountain lights sa labas. So, baka nyo na lang.
Our starter!
Ito yung starter namin. Kay Elisa, tuna tartar. And yung akin, carpaccio. Yeah. So, let's dig in. So, what's...
I think it's chorizo.
Chorizo.
Croquettes.
Okay.
Chorizo croquettes. This looks like a German bread.
It's so cute, no?
Like Zwieback in Germany.
So guys, dumating yung isa pang order ni Elisa. Ano ba?
Steak with foie. And that's it. Everything arrived now. Let's eat.
Eat. Thank you po. So, may pay arrive na. Eat tayo. This one for me.
It's so good, no? So this is Ray's favorite, and that's my favorite. Oh my god, it's so good, no? Yes. Wow. But that's also very good. Really, really masarap. That was Ray's nachos arrived also. Good? Yes. My seafood pasta also arrived.
Ano, you like your pasta?
Sarap. It's good. The shrimp.
Las Flores, 5/5, 10 out of 10, 20 out of 20, lahat. Perfect.
Guys, the shrimp is so good. Talaga. Tapos na kami, huh? Ayaw busog? You have some stuff pa? Yun, let's get our grab.
Dito kami ngayon sa ano, sa buffet room ng Cedo Hotel. Breakfast namin ngayon, buffet siya. So, yung akin bawas na eh. May Hawaiian bread, may pork sausage, may lechon paksiw, tapos may fish siya.
Sandwich. I tried this paksiw. Fruits, cheese with cracker, and banana cake.
Banana cake. Tapos guys, meron ditong ano, yung mga naka-blue na, ewan ko, football team ata ng Vietnam. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron, kung may ano ngayon, mga football games dito ngayon. Hindi ako updated sa football. Madaming tao, malaki dito guys. Yun o.
Masarap yung paksiw.
Masarap yung paksiw. Masarap talaga.
Hello. Here we have this. I don't know what's that. Like a big sofa.
Tapos may ano.
Payong pero walang araw talaga. So it's very good. It's not so hot. So now we will jump in the pool. Look guys, the pool is so big. Really, really, really big. I think that's the kids area there. So that's a bit shallow. I think that's the super deep water here. So nice.
Ano? Hindi namin kinaya yung lamig ng pool. Malamig.
We tried.
Tinry namin kaso
10 minutes.
Mga 10 minutes lang kami sa pool. Ngayon, sisilipin. Ewan ko kung anong plano. Kung babalik kami sa kwarto, tapos sisilipin namin yung game room. Sisilip lang. Titignan lang namin.
Yes. But it's nice.
Ang ganda dito guys.
The pool is so big.
Tapos kita mo sa likod yung ano. Diba dito yung parang ano. Yung reclamation, yung mga ginagawang isla. Yan. Doon yung mawabanda eh. Doon yung banda doon. Yan. Andito Soler. Maganda yung hotel.
Maganda.
Maganda.
We will come back.
Babalik kami dito.
Nice.
Nice post-wedding
celebration. Not yet honeymoon. Honeymoon is coming pa.
Wait nyo yung honeymoon, guys. Nakikita nyo.